Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at Euraud, why we're looking to get into a potential move, and just break down the markets in a little bit more detail. So this was the trade that we have placed on the Blueberry Jam, and the reason we're looking to continue to get long on Euraud is because of the strength and weakness chart showing us that the Australian dollar is extremely strong. Now, typically when a currency is extremely strong, we do get a reversal of that currency. So what I'm seeing here at the moment is the fact that price is trending down into this key supporting level, and the market has formed a false breakout pattern. Now, what I mean by a false breakout pattern is that the market here closed below the previous low. Now, breakout traders would look at that and look to short the market because they're seeing that the fact that the momentum is continuing to the downside. However, the next day the candlestick forms a bullish close back within the level and the previous candlestick range. That forms a false breakout pattern. Typically when we see these false breakouts, we do get a move to the opposite direction of the original breakout. So that's why I look to buy the opportunity in here. The market hasn't really done a fat lot today. It's been a bit all over the place in terms of the markets ranging. We're seeing a bit of strength in other currencies, and it just kind of mixing around. So it hasn't really been a definitive move here, but the trade is still technically valid, and if the market closes where it is this evening, the trade will still be technically valid. If we go down into a 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is just consolidating in here. There's no real momentum move just yet. What I was looking for was if price came back down on a 4-hour time frame into this previous high here, we could have looked for an earlier buying opportunity, but that's not the case. The market has just remained range bound just through there. So what I want to see is if the market pushes to the upside, brings us in, are we going to get a pullback into an area of support? And you can see that the market has a little bit of a support level through here. So if you don't like to take end of day positions, you could be looking at this intraday level through here. So let me just get rid of all that drawings and let's actually put a horizontal or a zone in at this area. So if the market was to break out on this particular time frame, I'd look for the market to pull back and then trade to the upside. Okay, momentum definitely slowing in the Australian dollar, and we can see that if we look on the Aussie US dollar, we had that nice bearish candle yesterday. Euro still technically bullish. We can see here on the daily time frame, despite prices being at this resistance, strength and weakness does suggest looking for a bit of a reversal here to the upside. So it's interesting to see if price can sustain a move and a breakout high. If it does, then I think Euro is going way higher. So that'd be super interesting to keep an eye on. But yeah, keep an eye on Euro Oz. I like this momentum to the upside. We're going to look for that reversal to continue at that big level of support. So let's see how this one plays out. Thanks for watching this video update, and I'll speak to you in the next one.